if you want to make a change, it should start with you. Kung sinasabi sana nitong Marcos na ito na masama may confidential funds, then it should start with him, pababa. So that he will be the example that you will follow. And yet, you are sinisingle out mo yung isang tao. Ano ibig sabihin nun? It's because of politics. When you should be there, nandyan ka to lead the country and fix, what is broken and continue what has already been done. That is good for every peace-loving citizen in the Philippines. Pero anong ginagawa? Ever since, ito lang talaga sa buhay ko, medyo nakita ko noon, Pinoy, before that, Tito Ramos and Erap, na we are, a bit tolerant when it comes to government, but this is the only time that I've seen the Philippines that is so divided.
Tama!
And how can you live with that kung nakakadiha? Ikaw, Presidente, unya, you allow your people to suffer and even make lies hantod karon imong tag 20 nga bugas wa gyapon na niabot.
Aga!